Many new internet marketers just starting out and planning to begin with affiliate marketing make a critical mistake that hinders their success, sometimes to the point where they give up. This critical mistake is not entering the online marketing world, including affiliate marketing, with the right mindset. Unlike the offline world where you have a boss or higher executive telling you exactly what you need to do, when to report to work, what is expected of you, etc., you have no one but yourself to tell you what you need to do and complete in the online marketing world. It's you, and you alone. If you don't get completed what needs to be done, there will be no boss to criticize or punish you, no reprimands for being late to work or slacking off during the day. Some people can more easily make the transition from the offline world where someone else directs them to complete the tasks required to doing it themselves in the online marketing world, while others cannot. An important point: if you cannot direct yourself to complete the tasks that are required, you will never succeed at online marketing, including affiliate marketing. You will likely be best served never entering the online marketing world and instead continue to serve under a boss. You must learn to be accountable for your own actions, including completing what is required of you on a set timetable yourself, if you ever want to succeed at online marketing, including affiliate marketing. Failure to complete tasks in a timely fashion will lead to your business taking longer to get established or not getting established at all. There are many tasks that need to be completed, many of which will probably not be familiar to you. This means you must learn how to complete the tasks necessary to have an online marketing business, including an affiliate marketing business, and no one but you can actually learn to do these tasks and complete them in a timely fashion. The only person who gets hurt by not learning these tasks and putting them to work for their business is you. Therefore, you must ensure that you will hold yourself accountable and put maximum effort into your online marketing business. No one else will do this for you, unlike in the offline world. If you truly want to be successful at online marketing, including affiliate marketing, you must treat this business and all the associated tasks related to it as if you were working for a boss in the offline world, and that there will be serious consequences if you fail to do these tasks in a timely fashion. Treating this business as anything less than a job that your livelihood depends on will lead to you failing at internet marketing, period. Therefore, if you have other obligations, such as family, taking care of an elderly loved one, attending school, or have an offline job, you need to manage them while still putting in the required hours and effort at your online marketing business in order for it to become successful. Regarding affiliate marketing, you still have to put in the hours and effort to make connections, pick out appropriate offers in your selected niche, get the sales material, send out the emails, get traffic to those offers, follow up with them, etc. No one will do this for you, and even if your other obligations require time in their own right, in the remaining hours, you must put in the effort to build your online business. Therefore, if you have to give up going out with friends, spending time with family or elderly loved ones, etc., you must do it if you want to achieve success online. Obviously, you still have to put in time toward your schooling and your offline job, but other activities that are not critical to your livelihood have to be reduced or eliminated in order to give you the time to build your online business. As time goes on and your business is more established, you will likely gain some free time back to spend as you choose while your business continues to work for you, but in the beginning, you must make the commitment to build your business and see it through. Failure to do this will lead to failure online, period. Thanks for watching.